Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Travel and adventure products. Thanks to the social media, today millennials opt to travel from their income, instead of increasing their savings like the previous generation. Tourism is the sixth largest industry in the world with 217 million international trips being planned each year. This figure is expected to be 320 million by 2020 with 47% growth. There is a never-ending list of products that you can work on. These include document organizer, travel bottles, duffel bags, multi-charger, power bank, emergency torch, travel pillow, tank tops, pill organizer, luggage bags, camera lens, picnic blanket, beach towel, luggage scale, toiletries organizers and many more. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.